Tomorrow's Teeth in an Hour, an amazing morning of television live on our air. A man gets a mouthful of teeth. It's goodbye dentures, hello implants. Whew, that's tomorrow here in GMA.
Also this morning, a new smile, a new life. What you're watching is a breakthrough procedure, a live TV first. We're going to make sure that this man who has so wanted the teeth that his medical condition prevented him from having for Christmas, well, he's going to have them in 2 hours, and we'll tell you how they do it.
Amazing.
It's good to have you with us. And we've got an extraordinary story in this half hour. This is a fella who he doesn't have any teeth. And he has wanted a full set of teeth all his life, and there is new dental technology. Within 2 hours, while we're live on the broadcast, doctors are creating a whole new set of teeth for him, and he'll be smiling right along with us at the end of our broadcast this morning. We'll tell you about it.
That's right. We can't wait to see him smile.
Let's move on now to that cutting-edge technology that's transforming a smile on a young man's life. It's part of our series, All I Want for Christmas is My Two Front Teeth. Josh Robbins is getting a new set of permanent teeth live on our program in a procedure which used to take weeks. As you'll see shortly, this new technology will give Josh both a new smile and a new self-image. For Josh Robbins, it's been far easier to frown in recent years than smile. 8 years ago, at the age of 26, Josh, battling chronic fatigue syndrome, began to lose his teeth.
It's been pretty terrible. I mean, it definitely was a shock and obviously pretty depressing.
Today, the college student from upstate New York has only 2 teeth of his own, bottom incisors. Dentures help, but they fit poorly and make it difficult for Josh to eat or to feel comfortable in social settings. Despite his interest in female classmates, Josh says he hasn't dated in a decade.
Romantic relationships with the opposite sex, just even considering that is kind of you don't really feel comfortable in that sense.
But this Christmas, thanks to new technology developed in Europe and pioneered in the U.S. by Prosthodontics Intermedica, Josh will have what he's always wanted, a new smile. Dental implants will enable Josh to say goodbye to dentures forever and to have a whole new set of permanent teeth to call his very own.
I just want to be normal, basically, you know.
For Josh, who hopes to earn a PhD and become an author, the dental implants are a hopeful new chapter. And we go now to Dr. Tom Balshi in the dental operating room of Prosthodontics Intermedica. That's in Fort Washington, Pennsylvania. As you can see, Josh in there in the chair, and the work has already begun. Dr. Balshi, can I have a moment of your time? I know you're busy.
Absolutely, Robin.
Okay, so tell us, what are you doing at this moment?
What we're doing right now is we are installing the implants in Josh's upper jaw in preparation to support the permanent teeth. Okay? This is the technology that we use to do that. Can we roll that? It's a computer-guided process where the computer allows us to plan the surgery in advance. And the surgical team does the preparation on the computer. The files are then sent to Sweden to Nobel Biocare, where robotically they construct this surgical guide that is in Josh's mouth right now. And then also we will build a titanium Procera framework that will support the teeth that we'll be installing very shortly. So we can show you the technology on the screen. Here we're placing implants in the bone.
Okay.
And you can see we're rotating that around so we can look at the palate. There's the teeth have been put onto the bone graphically. The dots that you see on the inside of the teeth are the screw holes where the retaining screws will be used. These teeth are held onto the implants with small titanium screws that lock the teeth in place. And so that's what we're in the process of doing for Josh, and we'll be very, very close to finishing up right on time for teeth in an hour.
Wow, that quickly. Okay. Dr. Balshi, let me ask you something. The people, they hear everything that you're saying, but all they want to know, does it hurt? We can't ask Josh that right now. I'll ask him that in a moment.
I think we can ask him. Josh, does it hurt?
No pain.
See, he's talking, no pain.
You're kidding me.
Josh is telling us no pain.
So he's able to be conscious during this procedure?
He's wide awake, and we've been talking back and forth. I've asked him to open and close and move from side to side, and it's totally done with local anesthesia. He's completely comfortable, and as soon as we finish, he'll be ready for a meal.
Oh, okay. We're going to put you to the test a little bit later. So you're about to, Dr. Balshi, you're going to put in the last implant? Is that what you're about to do?
In a minute, we need to do a couple things first.
Okay.
Can you come back to me shortly?
Oh, sure.
No?
Hey, you're the
All right,
doctor. You're the doctor. We'll come back to you. You do what you, hey, no, sir. You do what you need to do. Josh is the important patient right now, and we will check back with you later to see the final results. We appreciate that.
Okay, just need a few minutes. Thanks.
No. Take all the time you need, and we'll have the final results for you. Amazing. Just to, this used to take such a longer period of time. But we'll have the final results for you later and see if he's able to even eat a little something this morning with us.
Also in this half hour, you met the gentleman in the last half hour. He was sort of cloaked in cloth there, but you met the doctor who is really carrying out a piece of dental history in the making as a patient receives permanent dentures, a full set of permanent dentures, all created within 2 hours. And we'll see the results that took less than 2 hours in this half hour. This is something that really will change his life forever.
New technology that we're seeing right there. All some kids want for Christmas is the two front teeth, But we're about to see a young man who just got 28 new teeth just moments ago. He only had 2 bottom teeth. We're going to go back to Dr. Tom Balshi and Josh Robbins in Fort Washington, Pennsylvania, where we and Josh will see his new permanent teeth for the first time. And it's appropriate, I think, that you're wearing a Santa cap there, Dr. Balshi. So everything went okay?
Everything went perfectly. Live from Philadelphia, teeth in a day, teeth in an hour, in less than an hour.
Oh my goodness.
Josh has been a terrific patient.
Awesome.
Okay, Josh, we want to see the teeth. We want to see the teeth. You haven't seen them yet. So you want to put a mirror up and take a look at your brand new smile?
Sure.
All right.
Wow,
Big
that's
smile.
awesome. That's incredible.
Oh!
Yeah.
You look great.
Ooh!
Look, I'm a little bit Novocaine up, so I'm a little puffy. That'll go away.
So that's another.
Thanks, Dr. Balshi. Woo! Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Josh.
Yeah.
You're a terrific
The
patient.
whole team's awesome. Whole team's excellent.
Oh my
Thanks
goodness.
very much.
That's
Thanks to
amazing.
Good Morning America, and thanks for Prosthodontics and Radica.
You're still on the
Just
good drugs, aren't you,
incredible.
Josh? You're still on the good stuff. Hey, so Dr. Balshi.
That's right. You know that. We're going to pass the champagne soon.
Okay, buddy.
Okay,
so what you're seeing, Dr.
let's
Balshi,
give a
is
salute.
the Novocaine, and that's why he's a little puffy right now. You're not in any pain, Josh?
Yeah,
no
yeah.
pain?
That'll go
puppy.
away.
Yeah, that'll be gone in a couple hours.
Okay, and I said it's appropriate,
So
Dr.
he'll be great.
Dr. Balshi, that you're wearing a Santa cap because this procedure costs tens of thousands of dollars, and this is a gift from you, which you do from time to time. Do you think that enough of the procedures will be done that'll be more affordable for more people?
Well, I think it's going to be affordable for many, many people. Even though it is an expensive process, it's a very, very wise investment. Akin to vacations and cars and things that people purchase to enjoy life, you certainly can't get through life without the enjoyment of food and the pleasures that the mouth has. Just kissing alone with teeth makes a huge difference.
Speaking of food,
So, for Christmas-
Dr. Balshi, don't we have some?
We
some-
have.
Just so happen to have some pretzels there.
We just so happen to have some Philadelphia soft pretzels. So Josh, let's demonstrate how well you can do it.
This soon after the procedure.
We'll all join you.
All right. Bon appetit.
All right.
Josh, congratulations. You look great. You look great. I know this is important for
Thank
you.
you.
You're the man. You're the man. Way to go, Dr. Balshi. That is great.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Someone's going to have a very, very Merry Christmas.
You saw him yesterday. He has 28 new reasons to smile. Josh Robbins, come on over here. Come on here. Now, it literally was from the beginning of the broadcast yesterday to the end when you got this dental surgery that gave you 28 new permanent teeth, right?
Yep, that's correct.
Changed your smile?
Definitely. It's a life-changing experience.
And there was no after effects yesterday. I mean, you were able to just get right up.
There's still a little bit of swelling on the bottom lip, but that should go away very soon.
Beginning of the show to the end. Why did you wait so long?
Well, things happen in life. That's the bottom line. And I'm on, you enter a low point sometimes, but I'm going back on the way up. I'm attending a large university in the fall.
Great.
So
Good.
should
Good
be
for
exciting.
you. All right. Very life-changing.
Definitely.
Let me see them. Yeah, all right. They look great. All right.